In this question, we have to find out the work done during the reversible isothermal expansion of 1 mole of hydrogen gas at a temperature 25 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is decreasing from 20 atm to 10 atm. We have the equation to find out the work done in terms of volume, that is minus 2.303 nRT logarithm of final volume divided by initial volume. And in terms of pressure, we can write the same equation, that is minus 2.303 nRT logarithm of P1 divided by P2. Now in this equation, we can substitute all the values given in this question. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and the pressure is decreasing from 20 to 10. And we can substitute the values as given here, that is minus 2.303 multiplied by number of moles of the substance N is given as 1 mole, that is 1 mole of hydrogen gas is taken here. And R value is given as 2 and temperature is 25 degree, that is 298 Kelvin. And the initial pressure is 20 and final pressure is 10. Now the final answer we will get, that is equal to minus 413.14 calories. From these options we could say that option D is the correct answer.